We are excited to partner with Flowlity as their preferred sales and implementation partner in the US. So today, we wanted our clients to hear directly from the horse's mouth. We've got JB with us. He's the founder and CEO of Flowlity. So welcome, JB. So can you tell us a little bit more about Flowlity? How it started, what were the gaps that
Mhm.
you see at that time that you started Flowlity?
Hello, Chad. Very happy to be here and to discuss with you. So, we created Flowlity like 7 years ago together with Karim. On my side, I spent about 10 years in the industry before at several software vendors. And then when we started Flowlity, we interviewed about almost 100 supply chain leaders. And what struck us is that so many people are not happy about the supply chain planning tool. They think that the implementation was too long, too complex, that the users are not reaping the benefits, or not even sometimes not using the software. Um, it just also the performance is not up to the what was sold in the sales cycle. So we thought that there was really an opportunity to rethink supply chain planning, to use AI, because we were both applied mathematicians, and to use AI in the product to rethink planning, to make it more autonomous, to make it easier for the planners. And that's what we are doing since 7 years.
Great, great. So, if you have to define a sweet target market, what would that be?
So our ideal customer is what we call mid-size. So it's a company that is about in between $20 million to $1 billion of turnover. It's either in wholesale, retail distribution, or spare parts, or manufacturing. And it's a company that do have an ERP, but is doing most of the planning in Excel files or spreadsheets. And that has the feeling that they are losing money because of bad inventory management, so too much stock or not enough. And we could help. We can help for those companies.
Okay. So, now, you're already a cool vendor in the Gartner supply chain list of supply chain management tools in 2025. So, what's next for Flowlity?
So this award is awesome. It's We are not a customer of Gartner. It's just recognize that we have a very different and innovative technology. Um, and that's great. And also it's recognized by our customers in France and in French-speaking Europe, where we get more and more customers, and that's great. Now the challenge for us and the next step for us is to be as successful internationally as what we are today in Europe. And to do that, so we are partnering with great partners like you, Chad, in the US or in other regions, and yeah, to make sure we can disrupt a little bit the US market, um, and disrupt the current solution that exists there.
Great, great. And then my last question for today. Um, why should anybody choose Flowlity?
Well, I think first it's just a better product, and for a couple of reasons. The first is that we rethought supply chain planning with AI in at the heart of it, and AI not as just a buzzword, but actually everything is automated through AI, and we generate forecasts and the plan automatically, and we make sure that planners are only doing high value tasks. They are only adjusting the parameters to achieve higher performance, or they are solving alerts and disruptions. So, so that makes it a tool that is both performant but also very easy to implement, and also very robust to say let's say bad usage or no usage. We can very quickly deliver value, and the implementation is easy, fast, So yeah, actually, I don't see any reasons why we not be included. And it's really a different approach compared to traditional software. It's going to be more performant, easier to use, higher satisfaction. So our users are grading Flowlity, of course, like every software on the internet, and probably we have one of the best grades. We are graded 4.9 out of 5. So the users are actually loving also the product. So for all those reasons, yeah, include us in the in your sales cycles in the RFPs.
Thank you. And I know, David, for sure, you've got a team of PhDs, mathematicians who are looking at data, who's looking at
Yeah.
AI models, and you're constantly refining them. So it's very
Yes.
exciting, and you would want to definitely recommend people to at least see a demo,
Yes.
evaluate it, and then decide whether this is the right tool for them. Um, so with that, thank you for your time, and
Thank
we
you.
look forward to collaborating with you and driving more and more value for our clients.
Same
Thanks
here.
again, JB.
Thank you. Have a good day.